Why does your scanner show the P2511 engine code? What does it mean? P2511 is a diagnostic trouble code for ECM or PCM Power Relay Sense Circuit Intermittent. The P2511 engine code for indicate faulty power relay that supplies power to the computer may be internally damaged, sticking, or suffering from solder fatigue. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty power relay, corroded or loose wiring, bad electrical connections, damaged engine wiring, defective ECM or PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Honda, Chevrolet, and Nissan. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.